Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I will talk about the S&P 500. Well, yesterday, as you can see here, it hit to the 7,000 level and just gone down from it. So, what's the reason for it? Well, the software development engineering companies, the development companies are really bad in the yesterday because, with the AI, these companies are dying at the moment. So, that's the reason there's a huge sell-off at that market, and it was on the Nasdaq. But Nasdaq's software engineering companies sell-off affected the S&P and the whole U.S. market, and that's the reason for the price going down for that moment. So there's not much a problem at the moment. It's gained back half of its losses, but it was a necessary downfall. It happened, so we are waiting for a 7,000 level to be came back to the 7,000 level and just break it. It seems so. We will have to see what's going to be happen, but compared to the other stuffs like gold, silver, commodities, and the other stuff, platinum and Bitcoin, compared to the Bitcoin, older Bitcoin, American companies, American stocks was not yet, how can I say, overbought. So we are waiting for the AI rally still, and we are waiting for it. I don't know when it's going to be happen, but it's going to be happen. So we are waiting for it. So let's continue. Also with the Dow Jones, same. Also Dow Jones hit to its all-time high level yesterday and tries to go its all-time high level today, almost 50,000 levels. That's a huge bullish sign. With the Nasdaq, Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. Well, I told you about the Nasdaq a couple of minutes ago. Well, that's the reason software engineering companies are oversold because they are dying at the moment. That's the reason there's oversold in the Nasdaq, but there's not a problem at the moment. We are waiting for an AI rally. It didn't happen yet. Well, these are the footsteps of the AI rally because AI going to replace the software development. So there's no need for the software companies anymore. They are doing. There's needing a software company, but software engineering companies, because AI just taking their jobs. So that's the reason we are waiting for an AI rally. If we are going to talk about the gold, well, gold had a huge crash, and then within that crash, I made a video about it, and I said there will be a technical rebound from it because it was oversold in a one day. There's a huge sell-off. Like, let's see how much. 21% within almost 3 days, and then we are waiting for a technical rebound from it. So that technical rebound just happened, hit to the 5,050. I mentioned it about my video in a couple of days ago, and it's struggling about the Fibonacci level. Well, it can be maybe got past this Kaufman moving average and came to the 5,020 levels, it seems, or it can be go down from it, but I don't think there's a double tap in the upside one. 5,600 will not be reached in the short term periods, for my opinion, because it's a trillion dollars of asset. This means there's a lot of trillions have to be inflowed and assets. So I don't think it will be, because there's too much volatile in the market and it's risky, and most people won't want to be risk their assets. With the silver is rebounding from it. It hit to the 92 level today and going back to the 87. Well, it can be surge above these levels, but I think in a couple of months it can be surging these levels and going down and surging, going down. Not a huge crash will be happened, for my opinion, within the days or weeks. It will be slow and declining position. It will be occur in this silver, my opinion, because it's too much overvalued at that moment and people took their profits from it. So I won't think it's going to be happen. With the platinum, the same thing. Technical rebounds just happened, hit to the Kaufman moving average 2,300, and then just came back from it. But the platinum, it seems like it's going to be hit 2150 in the short run, but I won't think either for the platinum too, like silver. It will be go down, like price will be go down with this smooth move, and I won't waiting another huge crash happening in the silver, platinum or silver, anything. So these are opinions about mine in the commodities. So let's go with the Bitcoin. Well, the interesting things happens in the Bitcoin. Well, as you can see over here, Bitcoin was out of the another. Well, how can I say it in? Well, huge thing going to be happening in the Bitcoin, like in today or tomorrow or something like that, because as you can see over here, it was oversold. It out of the another Watson level, out of everything, and it still tries to be hold above the 75 level. It gone back and rebounds from it, gone back, rebounds from it, gone below, I mean, gone below it, rebounds from it, gone below the 75, rebounds it. So it seems like if it's going to rebound from here again within maybe today, maybe tomorrow, if it going to rebound, it will be hit to the 82,000 levels. It can be rebounds from it. But if it breaks this support level, well, the next step would be that prior all-time high level, 69,000 and half, like 70,000. It will be happen. So the Bitcoin is too risky, too volatile, too risky to short, too risky to long, everything. So we will have to see the baseline, the support line to be make its resistance very solid. So if you really like the risk, if you're going to say I'm going to make my discipline and I'm going to stay with it, maybe you can long from the 73,000 levels or something like that, but it seems like it's going to be break it, but we will have to see the end of the day. Also, I'm going to say the same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum is going down because Bitcoin is going down, and Bitcoin is the locomotive. Whenever the Bitcoin goes in a way, Ethereum and XRP just follows it, and all the altcoins, if it's not manipulative at that moment. So Bitcoin is trying to hold to its Bitcoin tries to hold its support level, and if it succeeds, the Ethereum would be by also the XRP, also the Bitcoin, because they are all following it, like gold and silver. Also with the same thing with the Ethereum, XRP. Well, the XRP almost got back this prior resistance levels support, as you can see over here from the January 2025. It seems so. If I'm going to talk about the XMR just going down and heading for the 360, and well, it's a bad situation at the moment. We are going to see what's going to be happen. If you are going to do a speculative move, it's risky, but if you are going to hold it, if you are a long-term holder, it's an opportunity, because these Moneros have a usage in the real life. So real life usage in the asset, the asset which uses in the real life has a will gain a will experience a price increasement in that time. So if the price increasement happens, these are good opportunity to buy. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.